Child support in Pennsylvania is something that any parent who is taking care of a child or a third party wants to consider. If you have primary custody, meaning that the child lives with you more than half of the time, then you are eligible to file for child support if the child is unemancipated. And in some cases, if the child is dependent beyond age 18, you may be eligible to get support for that child. The parent that has the custody primarily gets the support, and it's going to be retroactive to the date you file. It's not retroactive to the time that you got the custody. It's not a right that automatically the person has to pay you. You have to file in order to be legally entitled to receive that support. So if you wait 2 years and then try to get back support for 2 years, it's not going to happen. You need to file the petition with the court, and the courts in Pennsylvania make it fairly easy to do so, even if you don't have counsel. There are forms you can obtain either on the website or at the domestic relations office in the courthouse where the other parent lives or works, or where you reside, and that's where you can file. So if a lot of times it might be easier to file in the county where the parent who's going to be paying lives, because it's a lot easier to collect from the person. And the state has a system that's unified, and it will collect all of the payments for you. And then it disperses the money on either a card that you then use to pay for things, or you can have it directly deposited into a bank account, provided you fill out a form. If you are a third party and you have custody, if you're a grandparent or anyone else that might have custody of the child, you can also file for child support, and you're going to be able to file that, but you're going to have to serve both parents because both parents have an obligation to pay child support. So even if you're the parent of, say, a son and you have your grandchildren living with you would still have to file the support against your son as well as the mother of the child. And the court will base it off of their incomes. Your income is not going to be included when determining the support because the parents have the obligation to pay. But again, it is retroactive to the date that it gets filed. So you should not hesitate. If you're not sure what to do, you can contact our office. We'll give a free consultation, or you can contact the county courthouse where you live. And like I said, they can walk you through the process. With child support, there's either a very nominal fee, but most counties, there's no fee at all. So there's no reason why not to file, because you can do it on your own if you need to, and you would be entitled to some type of money.